Umami burger.
Oh man, this beer.
I got Drifter Pale Ale. Let's see what it tastes like. Yeah, it's pretty good. Solid pale ale. We just got all these sauces. Oh, that's ketchup. Here's my umami burger. There's some sweet potato fries, some regular fries. Still got those sauces just waiting. This umami burger, I can't get enough of it. Yeah, delicious.
Did I ever tell you that on Friday a man exposed himself to me on the street?
Yes, sweet potato fries. Oh, psych. Umami burger is pretty tasty. There's a lot of flavor involved, more flavor than your average burger joint. And sweet potato fries, one of my big problems with sweet potato fries usually is that they're not crunchy enough on the outside. These are delicious.